In this short tutorial, you will learn how to remove third-party app access from your Google account. When you grant permission to third-party apps, they can access your account information. So it's important to regularly review and manage the apps that have access to your account to protect your data and privacy. To get started, open up any web browser you like, and then go to google.com. After that, sign into the Google account where you want to remove third-party app access. Then, tap on the profile picture icon at the top right. And then tap on the Manage Your Google Account option. What you want to do next is swipe these options to the left, just like this. Tap Security. Once you are on this page, scroll down until you see a section called Your Connections to Third-Party Apps and Services. Then tap where it says See All Connections. Now you'll be able to see all the apps and services connected to your account. Scroll down this list and find the third-party app or service that you want to remove. Then tap on the See Details option. And then tap Remove Access. Then tap Confirm. Remember, if you ever change your mind and want to grant access to these apps again in the future, you can always do so. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.